Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is It's all yours. It's all yours. ये सब तुम्हारा ही है या इसे अपना ही समझो. Second, the water is running over. Turn the tap off. The water is running over. Turn the tap off. पानी भरकर बह रहा है, नलका बंद कर दो. 3. My leg dozed off. My leg dozed off. मेरी टांग सो गई है. 4. The children next door make a lot of noise. The children next door make a lot of noise. पड़ोसी के बच्चे बहुत शोर करते हैं. 5. Mind your language. Mind your language. ज़बान संभाल के. 6. Sorry, it slipped my mind. Sorry, it slipped my mind. माफ़ करना, मेरे मुंह से गलती से निकल गया. 7. It's all you're doing. It's all you're doing. ये सब तुम्हारा किया धरा है. 8. It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. ताली कभी एक हाथ से नहीं बजती. 9. Do you have time to talk? Do you have time to talk? क्या आपके पास बात करने के लिए वक्त है? The last one is 10. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. बात को और ज़्यादा मत बढ़ाओ. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.